Hello guys. Hope you are fine. I'm from 2 Directors. So here's the clip which we have to do sky replacement. First of all, duplicate this layer and turn off this. Now go to the tracker and find suitable tracking point. Click on track motion and place the track point on target. Set this track point for perfect tracking. Now create a new null object. Click Edit Target and select Null Layer. Go to the options and do this settings for best tracking. Now play the tracker. Here you see it automatically stop cause its confidence is below 90%. Again set the track point and click on play. This is the best way to do point tracking. Click on apply and we get tracking keyframes. Here I have a composition where I already set my assets. I just copy them and paste it in my new composition, but you have to drag the assets from Finder or folder. And rest of process will be same. Now we have to remove the sky from original footage. For this we need color range effect, so I just copy it from my old composition. If you need soft edges then also use edge blur. Now I link my sky layer to the null. Sky replacement is done and now I have to add sun in this comp. I use optical flare for sun. Set the X, Y position according to your scene. Drag this layer down under sky layer. Duplicate this sky layer and create a mask. This step is optional, you may skip this step. Set the mask and rise its opacity from 30% to 70%. Give mask feather above than 200 or 300 according to your composition. Now attach the sun layer to null layer. Copy flare layer and new composition. I made this by optical flare. Copy sun layer transformation to flare layer. Set the X, Y position accurately. Give its opacity to 80% and attach the layer to null layer. Duplicate original layer and remove its all effects. Now take a pen tool and create a mask. Give mask feather to 100 approx. Lock the key of mask path and now trace it manually. Take your time for perfect tracing. Now turn on flare layer and set center position. Set its keyframes for perfect motion of flare. And now it's done. Check this preview. I follow same process in this clip, but here is the problem. Flare passes in front of face, so we have to remove it. It's very easy step. Just draw a mask to the face and subtract it. Give 100 mask feather and now set keyframes of mask path and trace it. If you face any problem related filmmaking, editing or VFX, comment here and we surely make a video on it. And now this is a final clip. Subscribe to Director's YouTube channel. 'Cause we share what we know.